In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically delete Gmail emails. Managing your email effectively can be a game changer, both for productivity and for keeping your inbox organized. In this guide, we'll walk through the process of setting up automatic deletions in Gmail. By the end, you'll have a streamlined inbox, free of the usual clutter that can accumulate over time. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail. Log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email account you want to organize. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that resembles a gear. This is your settings button. Click on it and then proceed to select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where we will tweak some options to suit our needs. Here, find and select the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This is where the magic happens and you can create rules for your incoming emails. Look for the option that says Create a New Filter and click on it. A new dialog box should pop up, presenting you with a series of fields and options where you can specify the criteria for the emails you wish to manage. For instance, if you receive daily newsletters that you wish to delete automatically, enter a common word or the sender's address in the From field. Once you've entered the appropriate details, at the bottom right of the dialog box, you'll find Create Filter, which you should click on once you've set your criteria. Now, you'll be taken to a page that asks you what you'd like to do with emails that match the criteria you've specified. Here, check the box that says Delete it. This action automatically moves incoming emails that meet your criteria to the trash. If you occasionally want to review these before they're permanently erased, you can choose to archive them instead. Once you've made your choice, click Create Filter to finalize the setup. Gmail will now handle these emails for you, moving them to the trash or archive depending on your preference. An important note, while deleted emails will eventually free up space, the trash itself is emptied every 30 days. So keep this in mind if there's anything you think you might need to retrieve. By following these steps, you'll free yourself from the hassle of manually managing numerous unwanted emails. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your inbox manageable and focused on the items that really matter to you. If you ever decide to alter or remove this filter, just return to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab to make your changes. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to manage your Gmail more effectively.